Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to easily change the battery in your Subaru Outback key fob. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. You will need just two items, a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. This process is quick, taking only a few minutes to complete, and will restore full functionality to your remote. To begin, locate the small silver release button on the back of your key fob and press it to slide out the emergency metal key. Set this key aside for a moment. Next, find the small notch or slot where the emergency key was removed. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. It should pop open with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery inside. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its retaining clips. Be careful not to damage the internal components. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery. Ensure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up as you carefully press it into place until it clicks securely. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until they snap securely shut all around the edges. Finally, slide the emergency metal key back into its slot at the bottom of the fob. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.